start.
So sir, this is a product which is designed for people to help them where they are having low vision problem. So low vision is basically after certain number of your spectacle, the power of your spectacle, like some people will have +1 power, -1 power, like that. After certain power, the spectacle is not available in the market, and due to many reasons, maybe diabetes or due to some other problem, it's a medical condition. It is called macular degeneration, or in other words, very commonly known as low vision. So this is a product which will be very much helpful for people with low vision, and when they want to read printed text or maybe even work on printed text. So this setup is a very simple setup. It has this product, which is a small tabletop product with a nice glass surface with touch screen and other functionality, and a very simple on-off button and other things. And this having a complete system where it is looking down, and this is a optical lens which is having a camera, high resolution camera, and it can be connected using what is called as HDMI directly to any computer monitor. So you can get a computer monitor for very low price. Sometimes if you go for smaller size like 20-inch monitor or 18-inch monitor, maybe for 5,000 rupees you will get a monitor. Or if you can also go for a bigger size monitor like 22-inch or 24-inch monitor. Best part is it can be connected to projector, and it can also be connected to TV at home. So if you are having TV at home, and when you are connecting to monitor, there is no need of any CPU in between, which means if the monitor is having HDMI input, directly without any CPU, you can connect to the monitor and use this product. So I'll give you a small demo of how this product is working. Say for example, there is a small book like this, and I'll just keep this book. There is something written on this book which is there. So for example, something like this. So when I go to this text, whatever I am seeing here, you can see I am keeping my finger on that text. So that same text you can see on the screen directly there. And another benefit, it is having function to zoom in and zoom out. So the zoom in, zoom out function is like this. So after you zoom in, it will automatically adjust the focus. So I can zoom in more. It is adjusting the focus. Again I will zoom in. It is adjusting the focus. Again I will zoom in. It is adjusting the focus. So like even that small text which is written here you can read clearly, and if you turn the page, automatically you can see it will automatically. So all the text can be easily, you can read whatever has been written, small text which is there. Now this is handwritten text. I will show you with there is a special mode, a function in this, where if you want to, you can even change the system from text mode to picture mode. Now I will change it to the text mode, so it will be much more sharper and clear. So I will show you some example with some other type of printed. So we don't have anything else, so I am just showing you with our invoice. So you can see the actual size, if I am just placing my finger on that. So this is the actual size of that text, and very clearly you are able to read that on the screen. And if you go for some printed book, like for example, this is A4 size, so you can see when I zoom in, it will show us little smaller, so you can aram se read whatever is the text. So if there is some printed material which is having very fine, small print like magazine or something like that. So for example, something like this. So you can see I can read the magazine also very clearly. So all big text I will see, and I can read the magazine also very comfortably on the screen. So this is the main purpose of this particular product, where they can use it. Some other functions include, it has got lens, and there is a light. You can see on my finger now the light I have turned off. First step, second step, third step, fourth step, and so you can control the light. So even if you are reading, in an area where there is not much illumination or light is less, still you can comfortably read with the built-in light which is there on this. And you can also adjust the orientation. Say for example, if you are keeping the thing like this, I can turn this camera like this 180 degree, and I can see diagonally. So you can keep the document diagonal and also read straight on the screen, something like that. So generally not useful for most application, but this is just one purpose where you can use it for that particular application also. So this is what the product is. Very easy to use, good quality and very reliable, and it can be connected directly to the monitor. So it is a small desktop setup, you can use it, and it's not very big, very portable. This neck can be folded like this, and once this neck is folded, you can easily carry it in your bag wherever you want to go. And it can be, as I told you earlier, connected to any TV, any monitor, or even for that matter it can be connected to any particular projector also. So that will help you, and very small text you can very comfortably read in a big screen.